So what you can also do is you can go ahead and copy out emails as you like so that you can store it in multiple places in your email using Thunderbird. Let's say, for example, I want to copy out this security alert email right here and copy it out. So I'm going to right click on this and then choose copy to, and then I'm going to go around over here onto a certain location right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to copy this out to the invitation folder. So once I go ahead and do that, under invitation, you can see the security alert email right here, which is copied out. So it's there in the inbox as well, and then it is there in this particular folder as well. So it's copied out right here. Similarly, I'm going to go around over here on to, let's say, Microsoft account password change. So let's just go around and right click, and I'm going to go ahead and choose copy to right here, and let's just go around and copy this out onto another email that I have right here, and then under notes right here, just like this. So now that particular email actually is copied onto my other email right here, just like this. So Microsoft account password change is copied out right here. So you can even copy out emails between accounts by using this feature. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.